Oh, really? It'll just stay in the dining room? Oh, I see. What do you think, Mom?
Well, once you picked it up, why don't you just keep it?
See how it picks it up.
I'm not going to pick it up when you put it on.
Here, finally picked up.
No, it's on the top. It's on the front.
It's on the front of it. You laid it, a string, you put it on top of the Roomba. We have too many chairs in this room.
It's a lot of chairs, but you know what? It's getting under there. It's getting under there, Dad.
Yeah, it is. It does get under there. I think I need just one chair.
You get it, Buster. You get it. Romeo, you're not doing anything.
Well, compared to the other vacuum cleaner, he has a real tough time with the other one. It's coming my way. That little sheet of paper right there. I want to get that piece of paper. It doesn't make it just too fat for that. Look at Buster.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to sit over here and watch it. It's far enough away from me. I'm safe.
Romeo likes it. Huh, Rome?
He usually barks at our vacuum.
Yeah, he usually bites the wheels on mine.
Oh, he goes so good between the packets.
I like that we're all enamored with it. Like, we're getting way less done right now than we would if one person was actually using a vacuum. And now all the dogs are gone. Now I'm just recording this for my own good.
The vertical wall works really well. I can press the dock button.
Will it go back to the dock when you do that?
Yeah, this is the dock button right here.
Boy, Buster is really concerned with this. Oh, good, it got that paper.
Did it?
Well, I hope it did. That paper was bugging me.
Good. Finally.
Gone. Hallelujah.
But that string's still
That
sitting
damn
on the
paper,
carpet.
how long would it have taken you to vacuum that up, Mom? Jesus. I don't know, Buster seems pretty complacent with this now.